Today let's see what is Scott connection of single phase transformer. The Scott connection is mainly used for converting a three-phase supply for two-phase purpose and vice versa. And here we have two single phase transformers for performing these connections. Okay, see the figure. We have two single phase transformers. One is termed as main transformer and the other one is teaser transformer. And from the 50% tapping of the main transformer, there is a connection to the 86.6% of the teaser transformer. The two ends of the main transformer primary is connected to Y phase and B phase, and the center tap is connected to the 86.6% of the teaser transformer. And for both the transformers, the secondary is connected across the loads. From the main three-phase source through auto transformer, we are giving the supply to this circuit. And for measuring the rated voltage, we have a voltmeter across RY. And for the three-phase currents, we have three ammeters IR, IY and IB. And we are measuring the power using 2 wattmeter method. We have the main switch, it is termed as S1, and for the loading purpose we have two switches. For the teaser transformer it is S2, and for the main transformer we have S3 here. Similarly, for measuring the secondary voltage of the teaser transformer, we have an voltmeter VT and another voltmeter V main VM for the main transformer, and we have two ammeters IT and IM for measuring the load currents respectively. The circuit setup for the Scott connection. So here from the supply mains, three-phase supply main, we have RYB neutral lines are there, and from there we have an auto transformer, and here in this auto transformer we have the primary terminals which are connected to the RYB phases from the supply, and we have the secondary terminals here, and the common terminals are shorted and connected to the neutral terminal of the supply side. And then we have this voltmeter for measuring the rated voltage from the supply, and as per the circuit diagram we have three ammeters for measuring the phase currents IR, IY and IB. And for the power measurement using 2 wattmeter method, we have 2 wattmeters. In teaser transformer side it is WT, and in main transformer side it is WM. These are the two single phase transformers. We are using it for the Scott connection, and you can see this is the teaser transformer and this one is the main transformer. And from the 50% tapping of the main transformer, it is connected to the 86.6% of the teaser transformer as per the circuit diagram. And for measuring the voltage in the secondary side or the loading side, we have for main transformers it is VM, and for teaser transformer we have VT voltmeter here. And the loads are connected through switches, and for the teaser transformer it is S2, and for main transformer it is S3. And as per the circuit diagram we have two ammeters in the load side, and it is IT and IM. And we have two loading rheostats, RT for the teaser side and RM for the main side. Now all the loads are in safe position, and auto transformer is in minimum position, and let's switch on the supply side using switch S1. Then we are gradually increasing here the rated voltage using the auto transformer.
400 voltage.
So as the voltmeter has a multiplication factor of 2, now we are reached at the 400 voltage.
It is no load, so
So in the first case we have switches S2 and S3, that is the load connecting switches of main and teaser transformer which are open, and so that we have only 2 voltmeter values.
Currents are 0.
All the currents are 0 and we have only voltmeter values here. It is for main transformer, it is 120. So at this condition we have the main transformer voltage, secondary voltage is 116 into 2, and similarly for teaser transformer also we have 116 into 2.
All power 0.
All other readings are 0. After taking the no load readings, let's load our main transformer first, so that our loads are in safe condition, that is no load position, and we are closing the switch S3, that is connecting the main transformer to the loading rheostat. Let's close switch S3 first. So now the condition is S3 closed and switch S2 open, so that we are loading the main transformer only using the loading rheostat. Okay. Now we are going to load the main transformer side. So now we have 2 ampere in the main transformer secondary side. IM is equal to 2 ampere and the teaser transformer side it is 0. Now we have the main transformer voltage and teaser transformer voltage, it is there, and we have 2 wattmeter readings also. Now we are turning on one experiment using one more loading switch. Okay. Now the current main transformer secondary current is increasing, and for this case also you want to measure all the meter readings, wattmeter readings, WM, WT, and all the phase currents.
WT increased.
Okay,
WM
now you can see
increased.
WM is increased with the increase loading increased.
Current increased.
Okay, current also increased. Okay. After this, the same procedure is repeating by switching switch S2 closed and S3 open, and then close both S2 and S3 and applying balanced load, that is we are giving same loading using for the 2 loading rheostat we are giving same loads, and that then repeat the procedure for unbalanced loading, that is we are making different loads in each rheostats.